Saving money like a millionaire involves adopting disciplined financial habits and a long-term mindset. Start by creating a comprehensive budget that tracks your income and expenses, allowing you to identify areas for potential savings. Prioritize needs over wants and focus on reducing discretionary spending. Investing is crucial for wealth accumulation. Consider setting aside a portion of your income for investments, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. Research different investment options to find those that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, which helps prevent reliance on credit. Aim to save a specific amount each month, automating transfers to your savings or investment accounts whenever possible. This approach makes saving a consistent habit. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Instead of increasing your spending, focus on enhancing your savings and investments. Seek opportunities for passive income, such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks, to further bolster your financial growth. Networking with financially savvy individuals can also provide insights and inspiration. Attend workshops or seminars to enhance your financial literacy and discover new saving strategies. Ultimately, saving money like a millionaire requires commitment, strategic planning, and a focus on long-term financial health. By implementing these practices, you can cultivate a wealthy mindset and secure your financial future.